This is a quick tutorial on how to use the labeling features in a CT scan with XVWeb 3D. When you open up your CT scan, you're going to see controls and labels. So to make a label, you're going to click into labels, choose the label that you want. Let's click on measuring, left click, drag to your point of interest, double left click. My measurement is still on. You see that it says measurement now, measure. If I want to control that line, I would click into controls, come to the line that I've made, and as soon as I click, I've got annotation settings. I can change my primary color, I can change my secondary color, font size, if you wanted to make that bigger or smaller. You can change the line width, and you can hit delete and delete that labeling. So click into labels, choose angle, left click, and as soon as you left click, you will see your first point for that labeling. Left click to my second point, click, third point, click. Go into controls to turn that labeling off. I can adjust the end point, the middle point, my primary point. I can move it around altogether if I needed to move it to a different location. That's with a left hold. Again, your primary color and your secondary colors can be changed, and your font size can be changed, or you simply can delete that labeling. So turn on your labels. We've got a text, an arrow, rectangle, and a circle. If you need it, just makes a big circle. Turn your label on, and then measure and use your label, and then click into controls to make sure that your measurement is turned off. Just to demonstrate, if I click into measure, left click for your starting point. So left click for your starting point, and then your end point, double click. If I don't turn my controls on, the next time I left hold, I have a measurement line. So make your measurement, turn your measurement off by going into controls, and then continue on with your CT scan if you're happy with those measurements. But you can click on the measurement, delete it with your delete button on your keyboard. I'm going to left click and show you that if you did need to make any directional changes in your measurement, you simply do that by left clicking. So you can left click and change directions, and then double left click when you're done with your measurement. So left click, left click, left click, left click, left click, and double left click. An exaggerated demonstration, but if you do need to change directions on a very curved route, you can do that. And then you can delete that. That's just a quick demonstration of using the labels on a CT scan in XVWeb 3D.